How to recover deleted Instagram posts. If you've accidentally deleted one of your Instagram posts and you want to recover it, then I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app. Next, I'm going to go to my profile. And then I'm just going to select this first picture I've posted, and then I'm going to delete it to show you that it can be recovered. So if I hit delete, then hit delete, and if I go back to my profile, you'll see that photo has now disappeared. Now, if I would like to restore that photo, then still within my profile, you hit the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then on the next menu you click on your activity. Next, scroll down to recently deleted, click on that option, and here you can see your recently deleted photos. You'll see they will stay in this, it's like a trash can, it will stay in here for 30 days. Click on the photo that you want to recover. Hit the three dots there in the top right hand corner. Now you can choose to permanently delete this photo, or if you hit restore, then hit restore again. And then you see it has restored the photos. So if I just go back to my profile, refresh, and you'll see that photo has appeared again on my profile. And that's all it takes to recover deleted Instagram posts on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment and let me know if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.